So this is what heat can do to a 10-year-old brand new tire. These tires literally got ridden one time. I had this old Giant refurbished, this old mountain bike Giant refurbished. Down in here, these see that? It's just just flaking down in there. That is actually debris from the tire, inside of the tire. See? So you can just make the rubber just flaking away. And it's just sitting in the garage. So that's what happens. That's why you gotta buy new tires. You don't want to run these and have a freaking blowout, sidewall blowout, go into a tree. It's not good. So, changing these out because I actually want to have this old mountain bike so I can take it with my friends. And it's an old Giant. It's pretty cool. But I ran this. See, the tube almost looks brand new. It's got a bunch of holes in it from puncture vine. Some people call them goat heads out here in California.